Hi, my name is Francesco and I'm a swimming coach. Been teaching for the past 10 years and I started swimming when I was about 9 years old. Today I want to talk to you about how simple it is to swim, how simple it is if you know the fundamentals. The fundamentals are, number one, body position and head position. They come together. What we want is a straight body line, okay? Imagine this is you, and we got the water. My hand will be the water, and this is you on top of it. So your objective is to try and be as flat as you can. If you're flat, there is less drag resistance with the water. That means a little movement, like a leg kick or a little scull with your arms, would make movement backwards or forward easy. Same happening on your front. If you have your face in the water and you try and keep a straight body line, you can do that also by bringing your arms forward. Fundamental body position in swimming is the streamline. This is the most important one and the most effective because it elongates the body so you can just skate and glide on top of the water with minimal effort. Let me recap. Body position, flat, horizontal. Why is that? No drag or resistance. Head must be facing in or ears in the water. You have to have your body straight. Then, second thing to master is the breathing. I've seen many times people, swimmers, coming to the lesson and they're just either holding their breath, and if they've been told to blow bubbles, they just exhale too fast. Instead, we need to learn how to control our breath. First of all, because breath is energy. We need oxygen in order to function. And we need to get rid of the carbon monoxide so we can breathe in fresh energy, oxygen. But in the water, the breath affects the buoyancy. With buoyancy, I mean the flotation. If our lungs are full of air, most likely we will float. The moment we exhale, the body will sink. Therefore, it's important that we know when is the right time to breathe out, when is the right time to breathe in. Hold your breath if you want to float, breathe out if you're swimming, but make sure you exhale slowly. If I'm swimming on my front, I will exhale slowly, and then at the last second, I'm going to exhale a little bit faster, so I can empty my lungs, and then the moment I turn my head to the side, the air will go inside my lungs automatically. So first we need to make sure we empty them. We breathe out on the water, and then imagine those are the lungs. They're going to suck air in. We talked about body position, we talked about breathing. There is another one which is important, which is balance, coordination, and relaxation. When I'm teaching my students, I always make sure they master these three fundamentals. First one, breathing, breath control, being comfortable with the water going on your face and all of that. Then comes the body position. The best drill I suggest is the push and glide. Very simple. You hold on to the wall, you push and glide on your back, you do the same on your front, you do that over and over again and your objective is to get your body always straight. And then balance. It's important to walk in the shallow end, but then you want to move on to moving sideways, on rolling from sideways from back position to front position, of rocking back and forth. Just you have to be comfortable in the water. Once you master these three, then you can move on to learning how to kick your legs, how to move your arms, etc., etc. But if you do not master these three, your learning process will be very slow and hard. Remember, swimming is not complicated. It's just about mastering the fundamentals. So, guys, I hope this helped. And if you'd like expert advice, like having a coach, swimming coach into your pocket, upload a video of your swimming and I'm going to give you feedback. There's a link in the description which you can use for free. Till next time, good luck.